Hello, welcome to my channel Faith Cooks. Today I am sharing with you the recipe of the frozen paratha. We call it the frozen paratha because you can freeze them in the refrigerator for the parties, for another day use, or whenever you want to use. So this is a very delicious recipe, and whenever you want to use, and it is easy to make. So this is the frozen paratha recipes, and this is the recipe. These are the ingredients. आज मैं आपको फ्रोज़न पराठा बताने जा रही हूँ. आप इसको फ्रिज में भी रख सकते हैं स्टोर करके. दैट आई विल टीच यू हाउ. एंड आप इसको कभी भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं, फ्रेश भी बना सकते हैं. मैदा 2 कप्स, ये जो मेजरिंग का 2 कप है मेरा, 2 कप्स मैदा. एंड हाफ अ कप ऑफ नॉर्मल आटा, जो wheat flour, half a cup of wheat flour and 2 cups of maida, 4 spoons, big teaspoons of butter, salted or unsalted, that is up to you, normal milk, salt, little, half a spoon to 1/4 spoon of salt. This is the sugar, 1 spoon, 1 teaspoon big one, and this is the baking powder, half a spoon. These are the ingredients. Now I will knead the flour. I will add all the ingredients. This is baking powder and this is the butter, and I will add all the ingredients and sugar and the salt. These I am mixing well. Here I have mixed all the ingredients. This is the normal wheat flour, half cup, 2 cups of maida or the all-purpose flour, the butter, salted or unsalted. I have taken the salted one, little baking powder and salt and sugar. Now I am kneading with the milk. The consistency will be normal, and you don't need to first mix them all in a dried form. You will not add the milk now, but first you have to mix them all nicely. So here I have mixed. Now I will add little by first. Viewers, add all the dry ingredients whatever I have added, then you can knead the flour. So all the flavors of the things will be incorporated with the flour. Then by little we will add the milk, and then we will knead the flour. It depends on the need and the size of your family and occasion. You can double, triple the ingredients, but the ingredients will be same. The proportion of the items will be doubled or tripled as per your convenience. And this is the consistency, but little I am taking the oil, 1 or 2 spoons I am putting on it and making a smooth ball of the flour. Viewers, I would like to tell you one thing in this recipe. If you will use ghee or butter as I have used and milk, your parathas, if you want to store it in your refrigerator, it will remain white. In case if you are using the oil, it can turn black. This is, I have kneaded the dough, and we will keep it for another 10 to 15 minutes because it has got baking powder also, and we will cover it, and then after that we will make the parathas. Here I have taken a ball of the atta, and I would like to tell you, this is the same paratha which is available in the supermarkets and market, but that is not good for health. But this is the homemade which I am making fresh, and I will tell you how to preserve it in the refrigerator or for the further use. आप इसको किसी भी करी के साथ एंड विद ऐसे नॉर्मल भी खा सकते हैं, बच्चों को टिफ़िन में भी दे सकते हैं. यू कैन यूज़ इट फॉर द पार्टीज़ एज वेल. आप कैसे भी इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. तो हियर आई एम मेकिंग अ round this thing, and I am making it a chapati roll. It's very delicious and easy to make and healthy. Size you can check as per your requirement. Now I am waiting कि it will turn light brown. ज़्यादा इसको brown नहीं करना है. Golden brown color itself will come due to the ingredients, dear. I am checking. Look. Now we will add the little oil, or you can use, I am using olive oil. You can use butter also, you can use ghee also, but I am using a healthy option because I cook my food in the olive oil. अभी ऐसे करके इसको, and I will turn it. Look, the golden color has started coming. On sim gas you have to cook it. You have to fry it on the sim gas, not on the high flame. And it's almost done. Look at the color. From all the corners. Few drops I am using of the oil, being health conscious. Not too much oil will not go. And I think it's almost done. Look. So viewers, this I have taken a piece of butter paper and I have cut it into the medium size according to your paratha, and this is the paratha I made. I will put it, for this is the process I am teaching you for the preservation of the frozen paratha in your refrigerator. तो आप पराठा बनाएंगे, you will make a paratha like this. You will cut the butter paper like this and you will put on your rolling board and or on the slab. You will put the paratha like this and you will place another butter paper on top of it. You will place another butter paper on top of it, and then you can make the stack 5, 6, 10, 15, 20, whatever you want to do. And when you will take it out from the fridge, that time when you will take it out from the fridge, that time you will remove the cover and you will note please, you will put in the freezer, not in the fridge. You will keep these parathas in the freezer, and whenever you are using, as they will be frozen, you will take them out and you will remove this butter paper, or you can use a polythene also, white what zipper lock or zipper not lock, because the end should be open, and you can use that thing also, but I am using butter paper. And you will remove and directly you can put on the tawa and you can fry and then you can serve. So here is the I will now serve it. So here are the parathas, golden parathas. Now I will platter them. So here is the frozen paratha recipe, and viewers, if you like my recipe, please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Faith Cooks. Thank you.